In this chapter, we are going to study about one of the important natural resources, that is soil and its properties. Let us perform an activity. Collect different soil samples from various places like garden, jungle, beach and playground, etc. What do you observe? Each sample has a different color, texture, grain size and water retaining capacity. You will find that each type of soil has its own set of characteristics. Let us study soil in detail. We find soil almost everywhere on the earth. Have you ever thought of what soil actually is? Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth visible to us. It supports the life on earth. For the production and growth of plants, soil is indispensable. It provides support to the plants with water and essential nutrients. Animals, birds, and human beings directly or indirectly depend on plants. Therefore, the entire living world is dependent on soil. Soil hence plays a very vital role. Let us understand the different constituents of soil. Soil is made of biotic and abiotic components along with air and water. Abiotic components include powdered rock, which consists of mineral particles. Biotic components include organic matter such as vegetal litters, dried leaves, roots of plants, remains of animals. It also contains worms, microorganisms, rodents, insects, etc. Air and moisture or water are also equally important constituents of the soil. Soil is formed by weathering of rocks. Nature of soil depends upon the rocks found in a particular region and the type of vegetation found in that region. Let us perform an activity to understand the different layers of soil. Apparatus: a glass bottle or transparent container, soil, water and stirrer. Procedure: take some soil and break the clumps with hands. Add this soil to a transparent container. Pour some water into the container with soil and stir it well so that the soil dissolves in water. Allow this suspension to stand undisturbed for some time so that you can see the clear layers in the container. Observation: we see layers of particles of different sizes in the container. Heavy particles settle at the bottom and lighter particles above it, and the superlight particles float on water. Topmost layer of dead decaying organic matter floating on water. This is called humus. Below this is a layer of water with the dissolved minerals. Below the water, there are layers of clay, sand, gravel and stones. Imagine that we are digging deep down into the soil. As we travel downwards from the topmost layer, we go on discovering different layers or horizons one below the other. The topmost layer visible to us is called humus. It composes of organic matter that gets decomposed due to the water and microorganisms and the other organisms like earthworms. It is also called the O horizon. It is dark in color due to the presence of organic matter. The organic materials in this layer decompose into nutrients and enrich the soil. It is present in matured soils. Its thickness varies from place to place. The A horizon, topsoil, is the layer below humus, contains minerals along with organic matter. This soft and porous layer holds enough water and air in it. Topsoil is good for plants to grow and develop. The B horizon, subsoil. Just below the layer of topsoil is the layer of immature soil along with sand and silt. It consists of leached minerals, clay and very little of organic matter. As we move further down, the amount of soil and organic matter decreases and that of sand and weathered rocks increases. The sea horizon, weathered rock fragments, consists of immature soil and small rocks, particles of broken or weathered rock. The R horizon is the compact layer of original rock present in a particular area. These are of different types like basalt, granite and limestone, etc. This vertical section of soil from the topmost humus to the hard bedrock is called soil profile. The height of soil profile varies from place to place depending upon the topography, climate of the region and the depth at which the bedrock is situated. Children, can you tell where do we get to see this soil profile? Yes, you can observe the soil profile at various places such as at the construction site while the foundation of building is being laid, at a dug well or while you are traveling through a ghat section on the side of the road. Summary: soil is a very valuable natural resource. Most of the living things depend on soil for their survival. The vertical section of soil from the topmost humus to the hard bedrock is called soil profile. There are 5 main layers of soil profile: humus, topsoil, subsoil, weathered rock fragments and bedrock. Exercise: try and observe the soil profile at various different places as mentioned above and note down your observations about the different layers of soil, the particle size, color of each layer, the texture, etc. What could be the reasons for the differences in the color, texture and particle size of soil?